I haven't even started making a beat and I already want to sit down. That's what's nice about having a standing desk. But I gotta make something for me. Just because I preach that a lot. Just get into a space where you can be creative and do your own thing. And I don't think I've done it enough. Yo, I'm Eumonic. I've been busy doing videos for other companies and very focused videos. And I just want to do what I want now. And you know what that means. Roll it.
Making beats and drinking beer.
Yeah. I've been waiting to open this bottle for some time now. It's long overdue. I got it from a friend. We'll refer to him as St. Patty for the sake of this video. It is a home brew. It's a pumpkin ale. If you're new here, thank you. Whether it's your first time or once again, I'm glad that you are here. Let's get this beer open, and I'm just going to make a beat. So if you want to hang out, get comfy, maybe grab a beverage of your choice. Let's do it. How dope is this camera angle? Like I said, it's a pumpkin flavor, so cheers to you. Okay, I'll call this my official taste test. Smells like beer. It's good. I like it. There's the pumpkin. It's subtle. It's not overdone at all. It tastes like beer. Bold and magnificent. I feel like making something funky. Many of you have asked about this bass. I made it in college. I've talked about it before. It used to be just a cheap Squire bass, and I sanded it down and chopped way too much wood off. So the only way I can really play it is with a strap, which is good because when I play the bass, I normally want to stand up and do this. Sometimes you just gotta let go of expectations and do your thing. That's why I feel like being funky. That's why I feel like getting down. That's why I feel like drinking beer. That's why I feel like dancing around. That's why I feel like getting loose. That's why I feel like real good. That's why I want to shake my caboose. Ooh, that sounds real good. That sounds real good. Uh-huh. That sounds real good. Woo. That is tearing my fingers up. The action on this thing, it's atrocious. It's bad. So I gotta practice. My fingers are getting raw though. This is gonna be funky though. That's the key. I'm feeling it now. I've caught something and I'm just gonna ride this wave out and we shall see what happens. So right now I'm just chopping up the terrible bass parts, or at least chopping those out and then finding the good ones. And I'm just looking for aggression. I'm looking for when I had the stamina to actually keep up with the tempo and give it some style. At one point I did a really cool slide. I want to find that one. Oh, I'm a sucker for a slide. That was it. So I'm just, as you can see, grabbing them and cherry picking them. I got two good ones. That's really all I need, but I'll find a few for variation. I'm not worrying about timing right now. Like I said, just style, finesse, aggression, pizzazz. Cheers. Whenever I start to say my words strangely, I drink to justify my slurs. Then off camera I added a second bass part that I also need to clean up because I just couldn't hang with it. I couldn't keep up. But it's gonna go in between those notes. Bump bam bum bum bam bum bam bum bum bap. So I'm talking about the bap. You know what I mean? You know what I'm talking about? Right here, in between. Bap, bap, bap. Funky. Funky!
Cheers.
Oh yeah, do you hear that? I duplicated the bass line, pitched it up an octave, and then due to the algorithms of pitch bending, it sounds real funky. So it kind of sounds like a guitar. Not a bass guitar, but an electric guitar. It's the pocket that it's in. That's what's giving it that stank. I love it. That's with no effects either. I might throw distortion on it or something. The stankiness of this is satisfying. It's time to add some keys with my keyboard shelf. I haven't even used this yet. Boop. Oh, there you are. This is Addictive Keys. They're electric grand, dirty bass. It's dirty, it's stanky, I like it. Okay, I got something. I'm gonna record it before I forget it. Goes. Yes. I'm already forgetting it. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. I got this. I promise. Yes! Haha! I'm really glad that I finally got the keys. That took way longer than expected. And I'm thirsty. You know what that means. St. Patty, I appreciate the beer. Cheers to you and to you watching. At this point, my sleepiness and slight little buzz is affecting my efficiency and accuracy, but I was hearing an organ sound and I thought it made sense, so I'm going to add some chords. I think that's going to be it. I know this is a strange and weird thing that I do. I drink beer and make beats and put it on the internet for some strange reason, but I appreciate you being here. This may be the last episode that I do just because I don't drink beer that often, and when I do, it is really difficult to film a video, especially when I have 2 cameras. I don't know why I did that to myself. Anyway, if you want to check out more videos, you can check out one of these 2 playlists or whatever I put right here. Thank you for being here, and cheers.